Yo, something came in the mail today. Yeah. Yeah, you know what it is. Yo guys, welcome back to the gang. Gang. It's your boy Tenem School, and in today's video we're going to be reviewing something different. Something that I don't really review, do you know what I'm saying? And it's TRAPSTAR. Do you know what I'm saying? TRAPSTAR. We're going to be reviewing the TRAPSTAR pouch, bag, jacket. However you want to call it. Without too much talking, let's get into it.
Wow, nice suit. Zip it, Stanley! Kagebenshin no jutsu!
Go. Here it is. Do you know what I'm saying? It's got stripes with TRAPSTAR written all over it, and I believe it's adjustable. This part is removable. Do you know what I'm saying? And obviously, yeah, we got like 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets. Small one here. You can pull like your bank card. Another one here, little something. You know what I'm saying? And we've got this little bag right here. That's for like, I guess, it's like a what would I call it? Like a suitcase? Not a suitcase, but there's another one, pencil case one. That's what it reminds me of. Then we've got another part here, another pocket, and then what? Guess what? Last one, we've got another pocket here at the back. You know what I'm saying? That's like altogether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you got plenty of room to put your stuff in it. Do you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna put it on me. Oh yeah, by the way guys, if you're interested in this type of face mask, go down in the description, link to my Depop. Do you know what I'm saying? Go follow me on Depop. Add me, I sell a lot of limited edition stuff. Do you know what I'm saying? Tracksuits that you can find online. Sneakers, whatever, accessories, pouches, you know what I'm saying, whatever you name it, I go on Depop. So yeah, basically there are many ways in which you can wear this, you know what I'm saying. Let me close it back. You can wear it like this. You know what I'm saying? You can do that, make it tighter if you want. Okay, now I made it tighter. I was struggling for a second. That's right. So you can rock it like this, you know what I'm saying? Some man rock it like that, but that's not really my style, you get me? Or you can put it like that. I guess it's alright, but again, not my style, you know what I mean? The way I would like to rock it is as follows. See, that's my style, yeah, that's more me. That's like Tenem School, you know what I'm saying? If you see me rocking it like that, that's me. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is what it looks like from the back. You know, some nice simple drip. It's comfortable. You can put a lot of stuff in it. So yeah, it is what it is. What do you think of this pouch or this bag, crossbody bag, however you want to call it? What's your opinion of it? Yeah, so what's your opinion of it? Let me know in the comment section. Would you rock it? Do you think it's for you, not for you? Do you think it's drip, not drip? And it was your boy School. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share.